When I was growing up in the 70s, early 80s, New York was infamously known as Gotham. It was full of crime, slimy, horrible subways. Everybody in my class was mugged. I mean, that's what the city was like. And then we got a new mayor, Mayor Giuliani, a new hero came to town, and there was a stark difference from before and after his mayoral term. And they asked him, how did he do this? And he said him, together with his chief of police, applied a new theory called broken windows theory. The broken windows theory was as follows: that crime festers in a certain type of environment. When there's dirt, when there's small crimes happening, loitering, minor drug deals, minor thing going on, those types of atmosphere festers the large crimes. If you take care of the small crimes and the atmosphere that breeds it, the large crimes will disappear organically. Clean up the city, no squeegee people, no homeless people lying around. Make it into a nice, clean place, and automatically the greater, more severe crimes will disappear. And it worked. The same thing is true when it comes to our own Kedusha. There are certain atmospheres, there are certain environments which generate Averis. Externally, obviously, if we expose ourselves to things that we shouldn't be seeing, that certainly puts us at risk of Averis, of Shmiras Einayim problems. But internally, what's the internal environment that causes these Averis? And it's primarily depression. When unhappy with ourselves, for whatever reason, we have anxiety because of our work situation, our home situation, maybe shidduchim, maybe nachas from our children, whatever it might be. But whenever we're in a situation when there is some anxiousness and maybe depression that is getting to us, we are going to be more vulnerable to escape from our situation by looking at things we shouldn't have to. And that's an important awareness to have. You have to know that when things are tough, you're also vulnerable to fall further. When you're joyous and when you're happy, you have a much greater shmirah. It's not so easy to escape the natural anxieties that we have in our lives. We can work on bitachon and amunah in Yiras Shamayim, all that helps. And also, the Baal HaTanya says a fascinating thing. He says the way to get out of atzvus, out of depression, is to switch atzvus into merirus. Atzvus means depression, merirus means bitterness. And the difference is, atzvus, depression, comes from the yesod of misa, of death. Hopelessness, it's all over, what's the point? Merirus is bitterness. I can't take this anymore. I'm not putting up with this anymore. I'm going to be proactive and change my situation. That comes from a source of chiyus. And when we do that, we can in fact enliven ourselves and invigorate ourselves to such a situation and to a mindset where we will not be vulnerable to the nisyonos of Shmiras Einayim, and we'll mechazek ourselves to Ivzus Hashem b'simcha b'orel fana b'ernana.